What if you were to create a culture calendar? Yeah, get your team together and say, hey, listen, we don't have to like reinvent and have big events and have a prom every weekend. You might have a monthly theme, or which we often do with our school values, but it might be, hey, today's this day and next week we're going to do this, and just little things, your culture calendar. The staff's going to play pickleball against the students on this afternoon, or we're going to have a basketball game with the 6th grade versus the 8th grade, or whatever it might be. But really like putting in, how do we make this so it's not just the one shot at the beginning of the year, one shot in January, and at the end of the year we have a field day. Field days are great, they're phenomenal, super fun. But how do we keep that kind of excitement going all year long? So consider it. Sit down, walk around your building, think about a culture calendar.